What are the pros and cons for co-signing, whether you're co-signing for someone or somebody else is co-signing for you? So Rich Nails from
Cardinal Financial
is here basically to tell us the pros and cons. So
yeah, so obviously as a buyer, if you're out there, you are going to meet with a banker like myself. You're going to get pre-qualified for a specific amount. But if you're out there and you're not qualifying for the amount that that you're satisfied with, then you may have some family members or some friends that are willing to co-sign for you. As long as that family member doesn't already have like a huge mortgage or have a lot of obligation and they make good income and have pretty good credit, then that person can help you qualify and help you qualify for something that you wouldn't originally qualified for. Well, the cons are, if you are co-signing for somebody and, you're the actual co-signer, you want to be very, very careful to do that. The problem is that if you co-sign for somebody, you have to make sure that that person is somebody that's really reliable, because if that person stops making their mortgage payment or stop making any payments, you're going to feel it on your credit.
It
also
reflects on your credit as well. So
100%.
If you're on either side, you want to make sure whoever it is, like you said, is reliable, trustworthy, and you can't just pick anybody randomly. It has to be someone that you feel confident is going to help you and not take away from whatever it is that you're looking to do. Before you do anything, talk to your professional and then make sure, if you do decide to go that route, make sure that person's reliable and they can actually continue with that commitment, whatever that commitment is. And you just want to make sure you're not just co-signing for anybody random. This can also affect your rates also, so you got to be very careful and you have to be guarding who you're co-signing for, because basically this does cost you money in the long run, so you got to remember that. All right, the person already co-signed and now the other person has the loan, they're finished, now they want to get off the loan. How do they do that?
Okay, so just remember as a co-signer that once you do co-sign on anybody's mortgage, you're going to be on that mortgage for the life of the mortgage unless that person either sells and pays that mortgage off or unless they refinance and they pay the mortgage off to get a new one. So just make sure that if you are co-signing, you know that there's a plan in action.
Have the conversation right then and there before you decide to sign anything.
Exactly.
I'd always suggest, if you're the person that got the co-signer, after you closed and whatnot, refinance as soon as possible. Talk to your lender and about refinancing. Give it a couple of days, whatever. They'll tell you basically when you're able to refinance, and then get that person off of the mortgage and whatnot. But just make sure, if you are doing that, let the person who was kind enough to co-sign for you, let them know what you're doing.
Yeah.
And how soon can you refinance?
Well, so if you are purchasing a property, usually when you sign the paperwork, it's saying you state that you're going to be in this property for quite a long time, at least a year. But reality is that after you do secure a loan, you do have the ability to refinance out of that loan after 6 months. Okay. So, as long as it's after that 6-month time frame, there won't be any type of repercussions with the bank or the lender or the buyer.
Again, talk to your professionals. That's what you hired them for. They're not just there basically for after you close and they're gone. We're going to be here with you guys for a long time, hopefully. If we provided a great service for you, you're going to always reach out to us whenever you need, have questions that you need answered or scenarios that you have. And we're always here for you.
Absolutely.
So we hope we provided some value in this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Make sure to share, like, and subscribe to our page. And tell all your friends. If you have any other scenarios, feel free to reach out to either one of us. I'm Saint-Gerard.
And my name's Rich Nails with Cardinal Financial.
Thanks for watching.